Hey, what's going on, guys? So if you want to have a real shot of achieving your goals or hitting your targets in 2021 and beyond, uh, first and foremost, you gotta stop underestimating the power of today and overestimating tomorrow or 2 days from now or next week. And here's what I mean by that. Let me unpack this for you. So in the last month and a half or so, I've been meeting with a lot of agents doing their business planning. For the most part, they're agents that pretty much know what they're doing. They put together a pretty sound business plan and they move forward. In other words, they start executing on it from day one. They don't wait a week or two or three. But I also had conversations with agents that, even though they pretty much know what they're doing and they put together a really sound business plan, they want to wait a week or two after the New Year's to start executing in that business plan. And for me, I understand if, let's say, there is a lack of knowledge or expertise in a specific field that you're not comfortable with. Even with that, I believe you still have to kind of move forward and kind of get your experience on the go or on the fly, because you're never going to be 100% comfortable. But I kind of feel like, every day that is wasted is every wasted day for the opportunity that will come tomorrow. And, if you and when you made the right decision when it comes to your business planning, right, you got to have the practice of discipline. You got to take action. You cannot wait. Ideally, you don't want to wait, right? It's almost kind of like you're going to turn on the switch the first or second week of January. It usually doesn't work that way. Okay, turn on the switch now. You know what you have to do, and just get to work. All right. Thanks so much, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll talk to you next time.